Hey everybody, what's up? It's Sky here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make graphic design and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Patterns can really be used for all sorts of things. You can use it for branding, you can use it for packaging. The steps are super simple, so just follow along and let's get right into the video. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, I have my artboard and I created two little images of smiley faces with stars and lightning bolts for eyes. I simply created these objects using the shape building tool, using the ellipse tool and the star tool, and then the pen tool to create the mouth and the little dimples. What you're going to want to do is take your selection tool and click and drag to grab both of your images, and you're going to go up to the top and click Object, Pattern, and Make. Now this is going to automatically make your pattern. It's going to be crazy all over the place and it automatically goes into your swatches panel, but I want to adjust my pattern. It's really close, as you can see here, they're really close to each other, so I kind of want to space them out a little bit. You can also change it by grid, you can change it by brick by row, and you can change it brick by column. I prefer brick by column just because it's a little bit quirkier and it's not so like in order. So basically I want to space these out from each other though, so they're not right on top of each other. So I'm going to go up to the pattern tile tool and click that, which basically allows me to space out and edit the distance between the shapes. I think that that's a good space, so I'm gonna go up to the top and click done. Now you're maybe wondering, where is my pattern, where did it go? So it automatically goes into your swatch panel, which is over here on the right hand side. And if your swatches aren't open, another way that you can access them is if you go up to Window and click on swatches, and that'll pop up for you. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is actually make your pattern, show your pattern. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to the rectangle tool. This is how I like to do it just because it's a little bit simpler. And I'm going to click, my dimensions for this artboard are 5 inches by 5 inches. I'm going to click OK, and here's the color that I've been using. Just this little pinky. And what you can do is actually go over to your swatches tool and click on the new pattern, and voila, it automatically makes the pattern for you. I think it looks really neat. It's super quirky and fun. I really enjoy smiley faces. I actually created some sweatshirts with different types of smiley faces. I will link that down in the description bar below if you guys want to check it out. Overall, I think this looks really nice. I'm going to throw in some mock-ups at the end of this video just to show you guys how I use this little pattern. I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, leave a comment below, letting me know how you guys create your patterns in Adobe Illustrator. Maybe there's some simpler ways and I can learn from you guys. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more content to come. I will see you guys in the next video.